Looking for an efficient way to tackle outdoor cleaning tasks? The electric pressure washer 2.5 GPM portable lightweight power washer is up for the challenge. Designed for power and precision, it delivers high-pressure water flow to remove dirt, grease, and grime with ease. Whether it's your car, driveway, patio, or siding, this washer restores surfaces to a like-new finish. It cleans thoroughly without wasting water or energy, making it both effective and eco-friendly. This pressure washer comes equipped with 4 quick-connect stainless steel nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and 40 degrees. Each one offers a different spray angle for specific jobs, from a pinpoint jet for tough grime to a wide spray for delicate surfaces. Also included is a high-performance foam cannon for deep sudsing action. It's smartly engineered to prevent detergent from running through the pump, helping extend the life of the unit. Switching between nozzles is simple and takes just seconds. Ease of use is another big win here. With a 20-foot high-pressure hose, a long power cord, and smooth rolling wheels, users enjoy full mobility and reach. Its stable, anti-tip base means it stays put when not in use. Plus, it draws water from either a faucet or a bucket, making it ideal for locations with limited access to water. Clean the car in the driveway or wash patio furniture in the backyard, it goes where you need it. Finally, smart design rounds out the features. With built-in storage for the cord and nozzles, everything stays organized and accessible. Lightweight yet powerful, it fits easily in garages or sheds. And when the trigger is released, the pump shuts off automatically, boosting safety and motor life. The electric pressure washer makes everyday cleaning simple, fast, and effective.